In this video, I'll show you how to create a link to a page in Microsoft OneNote so you can jump straight to specific notes or guide others to the exact page you want. First, let's copy a direct link to a OneNote page. Open your notebook and look at the page list on the side. Find the page you want, right-click on the page name and select Copy Link to Page. That's it. OneNote copies a direct link to that exact page, not just the notebook. You can paste this link into another OneNote page, an email, a chat message, or a document. When someone clicks it, they'll land directly on that page as long as they already have access to the notebook. Now let's create a link inside OneNote. This is perfect for tables of contents or connecting related notes. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link or select an image. Go to the Insert tab and choose Link or use the shortcut Ctrl+K. In the link box, paste the page link you copied earlier. You can also link to a website or a file path if needed. Click OK and your text or image becomes clickable. That's all you need. Copy page links for fast sharing and insert links inside your notes to stay organized and navigate instantly. Just remember, access permissions decide who can open the page.